Sairam. Today we are going to study environmental studies. So, today we begin with our remaining chapter, which was our chapter number 3, My Body Needs Food. What was our chapter number 3? My body needs food. As I told you earlier, everybody's body needs food to grow and to stay healthy. So, what I told you in my last video, I told you that you have to eat healthy food. Okay, what we have to eat? We have to eat healthy food and we have to avoid all the junk foods. And what are the healthy foods? All the fruits, vegetables like banana, apple, mango, all these fruits, and in vegetables, pumpkin, cucumber, bottle gourd, betel gourd, these kinds of fruits we have to eat. Okay, and we don't have to eat what? We don't have to eat junk foods. And what are the junk foods? Burger, noodles, these kinds of food we don't have to eat. What I told you if you want to eat these kind of foods, you can eat once in a while in a month. So try to avoid to eat these kinds of food. Okay, now let's come to the chapter again. I'm showing you the revision. Our body needs food to grow and stay healthy. Our body needs food to grow and stay healthy. Now, do you know that where this food comes from? From where you drink milk, you eat vegetables, you eat fruits. Do you know from where we get it? Okay, that's okay. I'm telling you. See here. From where we get food. Okay? I'm telling you from where we get food. Now see. We get food from plants, animals. We get food from two sources, from plants and from animals. Okay? So, now we are going to see in which way we get food from plants and animals. See here. Food from plants. Okay? We get different kind of food from plants. Okay? We get different kind of food from plants. That means we get different variety of food from plants. Like we get fruit from plant, we get vegetables from plants, and we get grains from plants. Okay, now I'm describing you more. We get fruits like bananas, apple, mango. Yes, it is the favorite fruit of everyone, mango. And this is the summer season, so you got mango very easily. Grapes, etc. Okay, these are the fruits which we get from plants. Okay, there are more fruits which we get from the plants. These are some examples. Okay, what are the examples? Bananas, apple, mango, grapes. These are the example of fruits which we get from plants. So, plants give us many things. Plants give us food to grow and to stay healthy. Now see, in vegetables, plants also give us vegetables, and in vegetables, plants give us chilies, brinjals, beans, tomatoes, etc. also grow on plants. These are the vegetable, or there are some more vegetables which grow on the plants like bitter gourd, bottle gourd, cucumber. These all are the vegetables which grow on the plants. So here are these are the example of vegetables which grow on the plants. Okay, chilies. I know no children loves to eat chilies. It is very, very spicy. So no children love to eat chilies. I knew that. But it is very good for your health. You have to eat chilies in your vegetables. Okay. Next is brinjals. Brinjals, we get brinjals also from plants. And what is the another name of brinjals? The another name of brinjals are egg plant. The another name of the brinjal is eggplant. Okay, this is the new name of brinjal. Okay, eggplant. So brinjal is also called eggplant. Next is beans. So have you ever seen the beans? These are the long stick like soft sticks. We also get beans from plants. There are different kinds of beans like French beans. Okay, so we also get beans from plants. Next is tomato. Yes, that red one which makes your cheeks red. So tomato, we also got tomato from plants, and etc. There are more vegetables which grows on plants and which helps us to give the nutrition, all the essential nutrition such as minerals, calcium, protein. These all are the essential nutrients which we get from the food, and that food, who gives us that food? Plants gives us that food. Okay, now see this picture. This is the picture of tree of banana. The tree of banana looks like this, and next it is the tree of apple. Usually the banana tree grows in the area of south, in South India, and apple grows in the region of north, in northern India. And the famous place where the apple grows is Himachal and Kashmir. So these are the two places where the production of apple is maximum. And next is mango. Mango is the king of all the fruits. Mango is the king of all the fruits. And next come the grapes. Do you know? Grapes don't have any tree. It have branches, and it rolls on the other fruits or the other plants. Okay, the grapes don't have its own tree. It rolls down on the other branches or on the other trees. Now see here. Now grains. Do you know what are the grains? Grains and pulses. Grains and pulses. So the grains and the pulses are grains like wheat, rice, which we eat. Okay, and pulses are all the dals. All the dals are the pulses like chickpeas, kidney beans. These all are pulses. Now, where we get these pulses and grain? From where we get this pulses and grain? So here is the answer. We get grains and pulses from plants. What is the spelling of grains? Read the spelling of grains. Grains, grains. And the spelling of pulses is pulses, pulses. One more time, repeat it with me. Grains, grains, pulses, pulses. We get grains and pulses from plants. We get grains and pulses from plants. And the example of grains and pulses are rice, and wheat, wheat. These both are the grains. The different kinds of dals or parupu. Parupu is the word which is used in South India for dals. In India, when we have to say about any pulses, we say it dal. It is the more popular word in India. Similarly, if in South India we have to say about any dal or any pulses, we have to say it parupu. It is the common name of dal. Now we get the grains and pulses also from plants, and the different kinds of dals or purupu as they are called in South India are known as pulses. Okay, all the dals or purupu comes in the category of pulses. Now we get fruits, vegetables, grains and pulses from plants. You see, plants give us many foods. What are these? Fruits, vegetables, grains, pulses. Plants are the major source of nutrition, and through the plants we are growing very well. So, plants is the major source of our growth. Plants help us to grow. Yes, so we have to plant many trees and plants. So take a resolution on your every birthday. You have to plant one tree. Okay, you have to plant one tree on your every birthday, on every year. Go with your parents and plant one tree. It is good for your health because it gives you food and fruits, vegetables, grains, pulses, and also it gives you oxygen through which you take breathe. Okay, you breathe through oxygen, and also plants cleans us our environment. So we have to grow plants as more as possible. So make a resolution to grow one plant on your every birthday. Now I'm going to show you some grains. This is wheat, wheat, wheat. We eat the chapatis which is made from wheat, wheat, wheat. Next is corn, and everyone like corns. corn, corn. Next is pulses. Pulses, that means dal or purpu. pulses. These are the pulses. Now see. We get some food also from animals. Now let's read about the food which we get from the animals. See here, food from animals. We get food from animals too. We get milk from cows, camels, goats, and buffaloes. Everyone loves to drink milk, and it is very important in your growing years to drink milk because milk provides us all the essential nutrients and importantly calcium, which is good for your brain, and it also helps you to learn and concentrate in all the activities and as well as in your studies. So you have to drink milk regularly 2 times a day. Okay, so the milk which you drink, where it is come from? It comes from cows, camels, goats, and buffaloes. Okay, these are the animals from where we get milk. Now we get eggs from hens and ducks. We also get meat from animals. Some peoples are vegetarians and some are non-vegetarians. All the vegetarian peoples eat the products which we get from plants, but non-vegetarian peoples eat products from plants as well as from animals. And the products we get from animals, one is milk, but the non-vegetarian people who eats the product of animal, they eat the eggs of hens and ducks and also the meat of animals. It is not good to eat the meat, but some peoples eat them. Foods that we get from animals are called animal products. Okay, the food which we get from the animals, what it is called? It is called animal products. It is called animal products. And the food which we get from animals are, there are some examples: milk, 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 butter, butter, cheese, curd, curd, ghee, eggs, and meat are animal products. What are the products which we get from the animals? Milk, butter, cheese, curd, ghee, eggs, meat are animal products. So, what we had learnt in this chapter, we had learnt about why food is necessary for us. So, we knew that food is necessary for us for our growth and for our fitness. And where does we get this food? We get this food from plants and animals. Plants give us all the fruits and vegetables, and animals gives us all the dairy products and also some kind of foods which non-vegetarians eat. And the food which we get from plants are fruits such as banana, apple, mango, grapes. And in Other, from plants we get pulses, grains, and in vegetables we get all the vegetables like tomatoes, chilies, bottle gourd, beans, bitter gourd, cucumber. These all we get from plants. And from animals we get milk, butter, cheese, curd, ghee, eggs, meat. These all are the things which we get from plants and animals. Now I am going to show you some pictures of animals. See here, this is cow and cow gives us milk. This is goat. Goat also gives us milk. This is hen. Hen gives us eggs. This is duck. Duck also gives us eggs. Next is cheese. Cheese, we get cheese from cow and buffaloes, the animals which gives us milk. Next is milk. We get milk from cow, buffaloes and goat. Next is fish. Fish we got from fish. And next is chicken. Again we got chicken from chickens. Now what is your task for this video? Your task for this video is your resolution to plant one tree every year on your birthday to make the environment clean, to get the good food, nutritious food. Thank you so much. Hope from this video you are clear with this chapter. And stay at your home, study well, stay well. Thank you so much.